Let me now work on these two data sets and produce the desired outcome. I am assuming that you already know SQL, and in this section I am just going to focus on how do you apply SQL to get this kind of desired output. So I will show you condition by condition how do you show the output. So first thing first, you need to produce those who are meeting criteria. You want their total duration and number of visits. For total duration, you will do sum of duration as total duration, and count will give you how many times he has visited, right? And for merging these two data sets, you are taking browse data as A and customer data as B, and you are saying A dot customer ID equal to B dot customer ID. The next condition was folks only should be between 30 to 35, which you are doing by where B dot A between 30 to 35. So obviously in B, you will not get those records where the age is 29 or 37, and because it's a equijoin, you will not get those records pertaining to those account customers whose age is less than 30 or more than 35. Have come to website at least twice. This you achieve by using having condition. For that you will have to use group by, and then you will have to use having. So group by customer ID, having count A dot customer duration of visit greater than 1, because this ensures that you have at least 2 records, and this is doing for each customer. So for each customer ID, if their number of visits are more than 1, means 2 or more, they will become part of this data set. There is also a color coding, so later when you see a look at the code, you can understand the blue portion belongs to this, the red portion belongs to this green portion belongs to this. Or by using this syntax I am achieving this particular green criteria. By using this condition I am using this criteria which is in the red. Now having remained active on the website for at least 180 seconds, what you are doing, you are taking maximum, and if any of the record is 180 seconds, you are taking that. At least in one of the visits it should be 180 seconds, and that's what you are doing here. Order by just produces result based on the sorted order. So this is the SQL.